Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Rina Permata Dewi. I'm usually called Anna. I'm the only child in the family. My mother is named Sri Mulyani and my father is named Ari Yuswanto. My mother is from Pangandaran and my father is from Yogyakarta. My mother and father met while migrating to work in Cimahi. They have been married for 20 years. I grew up by them in Cimahi. My educational background, I went to elementary school at SD Negeri Ciberem Mandiri 1. Then I went to junior high school at SMP Negeri 7 Cimahi, then a vocational high school at SMK Negeri 1 Cimahi, and now I am studying at Bandung State Polytechnic. My current major is Computer Engineering and Informatics. The reason is because I want to continue my IT major from a vocational high school. IT on the study of information technology, computer science, and the development of software system. Job prospects from the field of informatics include software development, data scientist, network and system administration, cyber security, programming, IT consulting, and others. My dream after graduation is to work as a data scientist. A data scientist analyzes large data sets to extract meaningful insight and solve business problems. They use statistical methods, machine learning, and data visualization to process and interpret data. Data scientists work with tools like Python, R, and SQL, and their goal is to make data-driven decisions for organizations. My hobby is public speaking. I have been a master ceremony, reporter, speaker, and read poetry. I am very happy to speak in public. In addition, I always create content on my Instagram and TikTok. And this is my content.
Through my hobby, lately I enjoy sharing educational and beauty content on Instagram and TikTok. I am grateful to always be given support through their comments. It's the same on TikTok. I create educational and beauty content, and there is one video that has almost 25,000 viewers. I'm very happy because it can help students find scholarship through the content I create.
Janganlah cepat berlalu. Kemesraan ini.
Iwan Fals. Iwan Fals is a famous Indonesian musician. Iwan Fals has a distinct, active, and recognizable appearance. As of recent years, he has a masculine look with gray hair and a white beard, symbolizing his wisdom and experience in the music industry. He often wears glasses which give him a thoughtful and intellectual aura. His style is casual yet iconic, frequently seen in simple clothing such as t-shirt, jacket, or traditional Indonesian garments. Iwan Fals' presence is enhanced by his calm and relaxed active demeanor, which contrasts with the energy that he brings on stage. whether holding his acoustic guitar or standing behind a microphone. Iwan Fals exudes a mix of humility and charisma. Iwan Fals is widely admired not only for his musical talent but also for his deep sense of empathy, humility, and integrity. His music resonates with millions of people because he used it as a platform to voice concerns about social justice, inequality, and the struggles of ordinary people. He is known for his fearless activism through songs that speak against corruption, poverty, and government oppression. This commitment to societal issues has earned him great respect as a musician who cares deeply about the world around him. While Iwan Fals is highly respected like any public figure, he has faced some critics and challenges throughout his career. One area of critique is the political sensitivity of his music. His outspoken song against the government, corruption, and societal issues, particularly during the authoritarian era of Indonesia, led to several controversies and even censorship. Another remarkable quality of Iwan Fals is his humility. Despite his legendary status, he remains grounded and approachable, often interacting closely with his fans. He doesn't seek fame for personal glory but rather use his influence to inspire and uplift others. Iwan Fals is also known for his dedication to humanitarian and environmental causes, reflecting his compassion and care for both people and the planet. Iwan Fals' music is a reflection of his personality. Honest, genuine, and filled with a desire to make the world a better place. He continues to inspire generations with wisdom, warmth, and unwavering commitment to social change. I like singing. I always use this microphone when singing. It's a portable audio device used for singing and playing music, perfect for home karaoke or small events. It has a built speaker and several control buttons of the body. The control include button for adjusting the volume, full plus, full minus, playback, ref, next, a scan button, and control for microphone volume. Mid-fall and echo-fall. The microphone is compact and comes with a metal mesh covering the microphone head to protect and improve sound capture. It's ideal for casual singing parties or small performance. The microphone is made of plastic with a metal mesh at the top, sound pickup, and internal electronic components for sound processing. It consists of microphone capsule, a built-in speaker, control button for volume and playback, and internal battery for wireless operation. It's lightweight and portable with a bright pink color and simple control layout, making it easy to use during karaoke or live singing. The microphone is used for singing, karaoke, and amplifying the user's voice with the added convenience or being wireless and having an integrated speaker. When you signed your last goodbye, it died a little bit inside. A lion trees to bed your light, alone without you by my side. But if you love me more than leave me, take my body, take my body. Hello guys, my hometown in Cimahi. Cimahi is a city located in the West Java. It is situated near the larger city of Bandung, making it part of the Bandung metropolitan area. Cimahi lies to the west of Bandung, approximately 10 kilometers from the Bandung city center. It's easily accessible via major roads and highways connecting it to other parts of West Java. Cimahi is a blend of urban and suburban areas. The city features a mix of residential neighborhoods, military facilities, and commercial areas. Its landscape is relatively flat with some hilly regions in the outskirts. Though not as densely populated as Bandung, Cimahi has a busy urban environment with many schools, hospitals, and small businesses. The weather in Cimahi is tropical, characterized by warm temperatures throughout the year. Average temperature range from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. It has a rainy season from November to March, which can make the climate more humid, while the rest of the year is relatively dry. Cimahi offers a variety of traditional Sundanese cuisine, which is known for its very simple ingredients and unique flavors. Popular dishes include nasi liwet and seblak. In addition to local food, there are many modern restaurants and cafes offering Indonesian and international cuisine. The people of Cimahi are generally known for being friendly, warm, and hospitable. As part of the Sundanese culture, they value politeness and have a welcoming attitude toward visitors. Cimahi can be reached by road from Bandung in about 30 minutes. Depending on traffic, the city is also accessible by train via Cimahi Station, which connect to Bandung and other major cities in Java. For travelers from outside the region, the nearest airport is Hussein Sastranegara International Airport in Bandung, around 30 minutes away. In Cimahi, you can visit various parks and recreational areas such as Alun-Alun Cimahi. You can also explore historical sites, including several old military buildings from the colonial area. The city's proximity to Bandung means you can easily visit Bandung's attractions, including shopping centers, museums, and cultural landmarks. My dream to visit to Mecca. Mecca is a city in Saudi Arabia, known as the Holy City in Islam. Mecca is located in the western part of Saudi Arabia in the region of Hejaz. It is about 70 kilometers inland from the Red Sea. Mecca is a modern city with tall buildings, including the famous Abraj al-Bait Towers. At the heart of the city is the Masjidil Haram, home to the Kaaba, the most sacred site in Islam. The city is surrounded by desert mountains. The weather in Mecca is hot and dry for most of the year, with temperature often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. In summer, winters are milder but still warm, with average temperature around 25 degrees Celsius. Mecca offers a variety of food ranging from traditional Arabian cuisine like kebabs, mansaf, and kabsa. The people of Mecca, including pilgrims and locals, are generally respectful and hospitable, especially towards visitors. The city is very multicultural, with people from various parts of the world. From Indonesia, you can go to Mecca by plane. In Mecca, you can perform religious pilgrimage such as Hajj or Umrah at the Masjidil Haram. You can also visit historical sites like Jabal Nur and the Cave of Hira. Mecca is primarily a religious destination, so most activities are centered around worship.